This is the This is the STM group project for Section B Group 2. The industry we've chosen is telecommunications and the company is Reliance Jio. The size of the market, the rising AGR is 4.19% and the penetration rate of the tele density grew from 18.23% to 87.37% from financial year 16 to 20. As per CRISIL, the Indian subscriber base is expected to increase to 820 million in 2021 to 22. Next slide, please. The stage of the industry, as in the industry life cycle, it is divided into two phases: growth phase and the consolidation phase. Right now, the telecom industry is expanding and at the increasing ARPU. And there is the consolidation phase, where consolidation 1.0, entrance of Jio in 2016, and consolidation 2.0, comprising of broadband, OTT, cable TV, enterprise solutions, etc. Next slide, please. The PESEL analysis, for the PESEL analysis, the PLI scheme, net neutrality in digital India, there's FDI spectrum allocation demand for low prices, growth in rural changing preferences, WFH model, 5G infrastructure, AGR payments, and climate change, which comprises of all the PESEL factors. Porter's five forces are as following: the threat of new entrants is very low, competitive rivalry is high, bargaining power of customers is high, substitute products are moderate, and the bargaining power of suppliers is also moderate.
Now we come to the activity system map of Geo, where we have actually covered three of the main dimensions. One is the focus on accuracy, next is building of network, and third is the automated workflows, wherein we have actually tried to divide into subcategories and show the entire activity system map of Geo. Next up, we have the strategic groups within the telecom industry, wherein we see that these groups actually have the same strategy or the business plans within the industry. And these include players such as Bharti Airtel, Reliance Jio, Vodafone, Idea, BSNL, and many others. Next up, we have entry barriers to the industry. Elaborating more on the Porter's analysis, we actually found out that there are a lot of entry barriers in this industry, wherein we have complex regulations, limited spectrum availability, then there is high cost, high fluctuation, and also there is pressure on margins due to the stiff competition and the large number of players in the market. Next up, we have the mobility barrier in the telecom industry, where we see that licensing fee, advertising fees, and also that many players that have huge market share, technology-driven industry, high rate of way fees, and building infrastructure fees plays a vital role and plays an important role as a mobility barrier to the entrance in this industry. Next up, we have the market trends and signals, where we see that there is a rising investment. There are development of Internet of Things. There is adoption of public Wi-Fi networks, investment in optical fiber network, consumer spending. Also, that the new trend in this industry is the advent of 5G, where people are actually looking forward to much more services, much more better connections in the industry.
Now, the five main dimensions of the competition within this industry. First is gaining seamless connectivity, development of bandwidth technologies, geographic breadth and region of operation, service customization, and the last is the security concerns. Next slide. Now we're going to do the competitor analysis. As we have seen that Reliance Jio has a maximum market share of 35.43%, followed by Bharti Airtel 29.36%, and the third most important player, Vodafone Idea. Total number of active customers of Jio is 224.5 million. So Jio has the maximum market share. Now we're going to talk about the Blue Ocean strategy and ERRC grid. There are the four main elements of the Blue Ocean strategy. First is eliminate, second is raise, third is reduce, fourth is create. Eliminate the options of variety of usage plan, charges for value-added services, roaming charges, call and SMS for new offers. In race, there are network quality and coverage, entertainment, service portfolio, m-commerce, internet and broadband services. In reduce, there are pricing complexity, transaction volumes, traditional value-added services, SMS charges, and create is cost control, bundle plans, pay for what you use, private networks, and carry forward balance in unlimited plans. Next slide. Then the strategic roadmap. The strategic roadmap includes the growth areas. There are three subcategories. There is near term, which is less than 2 years, mid term, which is 2 to 5 years, and long term, which is 5 to 10 years. So the area of most of the are the growth areas, high level tasks, potential benefits to be achieved, reward, risk, and key success factors. For the near term, it is like the introduction. First, the Jio has been introduced, and upon introduction, 350 million 2G features phone users have been there in India. In the second phase, next slide, next slide, please.